All right, Saki, I think we're good to go in, Mama.
Yebo asingeneni ku hot topic yethu namhlanje lalelani. Hi KVG, hi 3 to 6 Express. I'm a man aged 34 years old and I need your help. So I married my girlfriend of 1 year last year in August. During our dating stage, I had issues with this one ex who kept bothering her. He would call randomly asking for forgiveness and meeting up with her. Obviously, she would decline, but problem was he became too comfortable doing this, knowing very well that she is in a relationship. I confronted this guy, and he stopped talking to her. Our relationship got better and healthier. So after marriage, I noticed that this guy was still calling my wife and was entertaining the calls. I sat with her in January. That time, angasati ane numbu, ndichimuonesa kuti zvari kuita, it's disrespectful. She promised to block him. Zvisinei, I took a few days off from work and noticed that she was not picking certain calls paanorira. That's when I took her phone, ndikamuti aivhure. I was curious to see why she was not picking her phone. I saw kuti ex uyu had been calling now with a different number from another network provider. I checked for the messages and he was still asking to meet. He kept pushing her to have a sit down with my wife, My wife responded a few times, refusing to meet with him. Hapana chandakaona chairatidza kuti ari kumuda, but the fact that she was giving him access was a no for me. I went back kubasa and one evening I came back with new lines, one for her and one for me, and told her we are starting our lives this way. Save the numbers of people that matter to you. I will do the same. Ndikazoona ma messages from funny people mu phone, you will have to answer, because ndiwe unenge wavapa number. Akangoramba akanyarara. The next day racho ndipo paakati, you're controlling. I can't live like this. I tried to explain my intentions ekuchinja my lines, but she didn't want to hear me. Takaita 3 days pane silent treatment, and the 4th day she said ndakuda divorce ndiende kumba kwedu. This is coming from someone who is 5 months pregnant. I asked her, unoendepi nemimba iyo? And she said, kwa mama. I called sisi vacho and she was shocked. Ndichivazitsanangurira nyaya iyi. Shortly after this, she had a miscarriage scare. Akachengetwa kwa chiremba for 2 days. When she came back, I was even afraid to bring up nyaya iyi. The sad thing is she insisted to go kumba kwavo and I let her go. I know the child she is carrying is mine, but I don't want to stress her condition. What bothers me is that I am living alone, not knowing what's going to happen when the baby arrives. My brother says, imbomusia, it could be hormones. But aya anyanya KVG. Was I wrong to buy a new line for her so that we start a new life without this guy from her past? Should I follow her adzoke kumba or ndongomirira? Iyo I hot topic yetu namhlanje.
Mancuba. Thank you so much. Maitambasa ne hot topic yedu yanasi. Regatinzwe kuti dare redu runoti he's asking kuti ndoteerere mudzimai wangu ndakakanganisa here in trying to handle this situation. Ari kubvunza zvakare kuti kana ndongomirira hangu mudzimai kusvikira apona ndisanyanya kumustressa since pakamboitika a pregnancy, or rather a miscarriage. I was about to say miscarriage pregnancy, a miscarriage scare. Yeah, so pakati ome, but regatinzwe. This one says, I think you're 100% correct to buy new lines. That's the only way. Kuti wona kuti munhu ashiri kuda here nezve the other guy. This one also coming in says, this lady is a red flag pakutanga wangadai wakazviona kare. This one says, musarora vakadzi vema streets wona zvakuitika. This one also coming in says, the girl I think actually ane connection nemface waakasiyana naye. This one says it's a red flag. I don't think you should go on with this marriage. Zvaatotaura divorce bva wangomupa izvozvo. Rega tinzwe kudare kuti riri kufungei. Maswera say.
Hello KVG, how are you?
I'm good, thanks dear. Thank you so much for calling. Please go ahead.
There's nothing annoying than the controlling boyfriend.
Well, now it's the husband.
It's insecure. Like, why would you ask me to get a new line?
Yeah, but handiti wafamba nehot topic, the reason why akazofunga kuti tichinje malines, it's because of that one ex ari kuramba achingomunetsa.
Ndikachinjiswe line nekuda kwemunhu wani.
Munhu wani murume wako haachazi boyfriend, remember akanorora.
Yeah, it's two-sided though.
Yeah.
It's not worth it risking your marriage over an ex. I think it was reasonable for you to just change line, go take afresh again.